Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
You're building the train line, right?
No, the train line.
The train line will go all the way down.
All the way down there.
I'm gonna capture it, and then later I see the finished part.
Yes, go inside.
I can go inside. This one's been surviving it all. I think it'll last because it has some pretty good menu and such. Okay, so yeah, I think this will all have a train line going right down the middle of this particular street, coming right through here. So this will completely transform the street altogether. Okay, you can see this is called Lido Lane, Travessa de Lido. And I'll give you a little context. We're going to describe exactly what's going on here. You can see a lot of construction, kind of cool looking building like that. And there's a port behind us too. So the street's kind of small, but what I'm going to do is just go down it. I'm going to highlight what this whole area is all about, because there's a lot of construction down on that street and a lot of fishing stuff coming in. So we're going to highlight all that on Lido. So stay tuned for that. Travessa de Lido. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so what we're going to do is go around in a block. So I'm going to go down this way. I'm basically going to go around this building, and I'm going to come back to this space, and then we'll kind of give you a little idea what this is all about, because it's going to change quite a bit. Yeah, you can feel the change coming on already. Yeah, this little Lido right here. And the cross street is Rua de Almirante Sergio. You can see the white sign right there. So let's go down this Lido street. One of the things you're going to notice right away is some of the businesses are closed because there's a lot of construction going on down here. But there's also some nice restaurants here. This one's been surviving it all. I think it'll last because it has some pretty good menu and such. Okay, so this is basically the end of the street. But we're going to give the whole context of it by walking all the way down that way as well and going around that building. But before we do, I'm just going to come down real quick. There's a garage. So you can see all this construction right here. And I think that they're going to do a couple different things. One of them, I think they're building a train line, and I think it's going to go down this street. And historically, this is also the street where they had all these ponts everywhere. So pont number 7, all of these things, and they're doing all the construction right in the middle there. So you can see that straight ahead. And so the train line is going to come up right along this way. So there's our target street. And I'm going to go around that in a moment. So yeah, I think this will all have a train line going right down the middle of this particular street, coming right through here. So this will completely transform the street altogether. And I think I saw something in the newspaper about some of these being moved. So I don't know if it's this particular street, but it might be. They might make this into something kind of waterfront oriented. And so our target street, we're going to continue to go down this way in a moment, but this is our little Lido. We'll come back to that as well in a moment.
You're looking for what?
Walking around and looking at the construction. They're building the train line, right?
No, the train line.
The train line will go all the way down.
All the way down there.
I'm going to capture it, and then later I see the finished part.
Yes, go inside.
I can go inside?
There.
Go that side? Sounds good. Thank you. So this is definitely the train line then. So this is where they're gonna build the train. So I'm gonna come over here other times too, and I'm gonna film it and try to capture it. I should actually film this particular street because this is where the line's coming out. I think I will do that later. So they are building everything all the way down. Pretty cool. And so our target street is this little Lido. So we're just gonna go back around. The train line is going to be interesting because this right here is like a storm surge thing. So you can see this right here, and it says like 1 meter, 1.5 meters, 2.5 meters. This is for when the water comes in from the typhoons. So when that comes in, the water would be up to that high. So it could be like 2.5 meters, and then you know that this would be all underwater. So if they do build a train line there, and it looks like that's the plan, that has some kind of serious implications, doesn't it? And yeah, the other things that I'm noticing too is that it does seem like most of the buildings are closed, because I think that construction is going to take a few years, and then you have all of this work as well. Got cement mixer, all kinds of stuff. But I think once it's realized, it should be kind of interesting. So we're going to come back over to Lido. Now we're back at the beginning part again. So yeah, this is actually Travessa de Lido. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this street is also affected by it as well. So yeah, all this area would be totally different. That'd be interesting. Okay, so we're gonna end our video for Lido Street, Lido Lane. It's kind of cool looking space though. It'll be really interesting when the train line comes in. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.